country man, no be my boss. Can't help the odds, cause I fight for the just.